Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to copy any text or word from Android or iOS smartphone to Windows, Mac, Linux computer. So without any more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your respective computer, you need to download and install the Chrome web browser, and after that just open the Chrome web browser and just log in with your Google account. So right now you can see I have already been logged in with my Google account in my Chrome web browser. So firstly, you do it on your respective computer. After that, on your Android smartphone, just download the Google application from the Play Store or from the App Store. And now just click on this Google application on your respective Android or iOS smartphone. Now just click on this Google Lens icon. Now select the particular image or any text. So I'll just try to select this and just click on these three dot icons. I'll see here one option written copy to computer. Just click on it. So now you can see here it auto detect my respective computer. Now just click on this select. You can see here a pop-up notification on my computer. Text is copied. Now let us check if it really gonna work or not. So on my computer I have opened a notepad. Now let me try to paste it. Now you can see here the text or word which I have copied from my smartphone is being copied to my respective computer. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily copy any text or word from Android or iOS smartphone to Windows, Mac, Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.